In recent years, freeze-dried fruit and vegetable powders have emerged as culinary powerhouses, captivating consumers by inspiring chefs with intense flavours, nutritional benefits, and remarkable versatility. By freeze-drying fruits and vegetables, you can unlock a world of culinary possibilities. From vibrant beet powders to earthy mushroom powders, the versatility of freeze-dried fruit and vegetables extends the boundaries of flavour experimentation. Whether adding depth to savoury dishes or enhancing the nutritional profile of snacks and beverages, fruit and vegetable powders offer chefs and home cooks alike a palette of colours and flavours to explore. Here are the steps for making freeze-dried fruit and vegetable powders. Select ripe fruits and wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or contaminants. Peel or slice the fruits as desired, ensuring uniformity in size for consistent drying. Arrange the prepared fruits in a single layer on the CD8 freeze dryer trays. Insert your trays into the CD8 freeze dryer and select the appropriate program or parameters. The CD8 freeze dryer will freeze your fruit and vegetables and carry them through the primary drying cycle as well as the secondary drying cycle, which is where any remaining moisture is removed, ensuring your fruits and vegetables are thoroughly dried, preventing microbial growth and ensuring long-term stability. After drying, the freeze-dried fruits and vegetables are brittle and can be easily ground into a fine powder using a blender, food processor, or spice grinder. Sieve the powder to remove any large particles for a smooth, consistent texture. Store the freeze-dried fruit or vegetable powder in airtight containers or vacuum-sealed bags to prevent moisture absorption and preserve its quality. Label the containers with the date of production and the type of fruit or vegetable powder for easy identification. You now have your fruit or vegetable powders ready to use, and the benefits are endless. Unlike traditional drying methods, freeze drying preserves the fruits and vegetables' vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals, enhancing the taste of dishes while contributing to their nutritional profile. By removing moisture, freeze-dried fruits and vegetable powders boost an impressive shelf life, making them ideal for home cooks and food businesses, reducing waste and ensuring access to flavourful fruits all year round. The fine texture and concentrated flavour of freeze-dried fruit and vegetable powders make them versatile in the kitchen, adding depth, colour and aroma to sweet and savoury dishes alike. Freeze-dried fruits and vegetables are used in a number of applications. Bakers used freeze-dried fruits and vegetable powders to infuse natural flavours into confections without the use of food dyes or extracts. The fruit powders enhance the baked goods without altering their texture. Tea shops and beverage bars incorporate freeze-dried fruit powders into drinks, offering bursts of fruit flavour and vibrant colour. Ice cream makers craft bold flavours using freeze-dried fruit powders, adding additional sweetness and visual appeal to frozen treats. Chefs in restaurants and catering establishments explore freeze-dried fruit powders in sauces, dressings, garnishes, and desserts, enhancing dining experiences. As consumers demand authenticity and nutrition, these powders offer a perfect blend of taste, convenience, and nutritional excellence. From morning smoothies to gourmet cuisine, freeze-dried fruit and vegetable powders redefine flavour. Ready to explore the world of freeze-dried fruit and vegetable powders? Contact CryoDry today to learn more about our state-of-the-art freeze dryers that empower you to create your own flavourful powders in the comfort of your own kitchen.